Are you ready for today's video? I am, so let's do this. Hello friends, it is Allison from Wonderlast.com and welcome back to my colorful little corner of the internet. Today I want to share how you can make a full-time income from passive income in 8 steps, no matter what industry you're in. Did you just pee your pants a little with excitement? I did. Just kidding. So what exactly is passive income? Passive income is money that you make with little to no time or effort involved. So you spend the time creating something initially, and then that thing just sells itself on autopilot. For example, I might spend some time up front creating an ebook, but then I might set up an automated sales funnel so that the ebook sells itself on autopilot. That ebook can be marketed, purchased, and consumed, all while I am off binge watching the latest season of Orange is the New Black on Netflix. And creating passive income is one of the best ways to grow your online business because you're not stuck trading dollars for hours. You can literally serve way more people without all of the extra time, and that means you also have unlimited revenue potential. So even if you do some type of freelancing work, I highly recommend creating at least one passive income stream in your business. Today, 95% of my business revenue comes from passive income from my digital products, so I want to share 8 steps to help you do the same. If that's something you'd like to do, of course. First, this delightful little video is brought to you by my free masterclass on how to create a wildly profitable online business selling digital products, where we talk about the specific tools and strategies that you need if you want to create a full-time online business that is fueled by passive income from your digital products. So, if that is something that you would like to learn about, which I'm assuming you do since you're watching this video, then just click on the link that is in the description below this video to give it a watch. Okay, now let's talk about how you can create a full-time income from passive income in 8 steps. Step number 1, narrow down your purpose and your dream customer. Okay, I know I sound like a total broken record, but the more specific that you can get about who you serve and how, the better, because trying to be the expert in too many things is a surefire recipe for never gaining traction. After all, it is really hard to be an expert in the broad category. So think in terms of what is one specific result that you can get for one specific type of person. Step number 2, grow your email list with the right people. Yep, this one is a must. Do not be like me and put off growing your email list for literal years. You need to focus on growing your list with the right people, people who are actually interested in you and what you have to offer. Remember that dream customer you narrowed down in step 1? Well, that is the person you want to grow your email list with. Step number 3 to making a full-time income from passive income is to focus on getting more quality traffic. Because in order to grow your email list, you need people consistently coming to your website. But I'm not just talking about any people, I am talking about your dream customers. Remember, quality over quantity. You want to drive quality traffic to your website to get quality people on your email list. So you need to have weekly strategies in place to continually drive that traffic on over to your website. I'm talking about strategies like Pinterest, social media posts, Facebook ads. Those are all great ways to continually drive that traffic. Step number 4 to making a full-time income from passive income is to ask your audience what they want. It sounds so simple, and yet many people forget to just ask their audience what they want. Build your audience and then ask them what they want so that you can make it for them. Because when it comes to coming up with the perfect paid offer idea for your audience, there really should be no guesswork involved. Step number 5 to making a full-time income from passive income is to validate your paid offer idea. Before you spend any time, energy, or money actually creating your paid offer, you need to take the time to actually validate that thing first. After all, nothing is sadder than spending loads of time creating something only to find out that no one wants to buy it. And my number 1 favorite way to validate an idea is to pre-sell that thing before I ever create it. Step number 6 making a full-time income from passive income is to create an irresistible paid offer. Because if no one wants your thing, then you're not going to be able to sell that thing. And if you can't sell that thing, then you're not going to make any passive income. Once you actually validate your paid offer idea and you know for a fact it is something that your audience actually wants, then it is time to go ahead and create it for your audience. And really, the sky is the limit with what you could create. Things like online courses, membership sites, ebooks, templates, and more. Step number 7 to making a full-time income from passive income is to create quality free content that leads people to your quality paid content. Why? Because it helps to build trust. It helps people to see that, hey, this person actually puts out amazing free content. I can only imagine how awesome their paid content is. Plus, people are way more likely to want to share that awesome free content with their friends rather than awesome paid content. So there's that too. And then you want to market the shiz out of your quality free content. By the way, we talk more about how to effectively market your shiz in that free masterclass I mentioned. Shameless plug. And step number 8 to making a full-time income from passive income is to create an epic automated sales funnel. A sales funnel is a path of free content that leads people to your paid content, and it is the machine that is going to market and sell your paid offer on autopilot while you're off doing other things like playing with your cat or dancing in a field full of puppies. For example, a free blog post, which leads to a free content upgrade, which leads people to a obviously free email sequence, which then leads people to your paid offer. And yes, we most definitely talk about sales funnels in that free masterclass I've mentioned a billion times already. Actually, I think I've only mentioned it like thrice. Thrice. And there you have it, how you can start making a full-time income from passive income in 8 delightful steps. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Or did you enjoy this video? Let me know in the comments below. Obsessed with wearing a Snuggie like me? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, don't forget to check out my free masterclass if you would like to learn how to grow an online business that is fueled by passive income from your digital products. The link for that is in the description below this video. And now I'm off. And that ends today's video.